guys, welcome back to our new video, like our channel, and we are going to IKEA. So we are driving to IKEA. Today there was not like much traffic. As you can see, we are going to IKEA. And it was like a smooth ride when we are coming to IKEA now. And we got off, it was nice. We went inside IKEA and we brought a little things that we need. We did not like overspend or anything. My sister she was roaming here and there, and my parents were somewhere and my sister was somewhere, and it was like a nice day. And my sister really wanted to go and play. Like in IKEA there are so many nice products, like there are the cushion coverings, the sofas, there are beds and mattresses, windows, kitchen supplies and other things. We were going up the escalator to the second floor, and on the second floor my sister really wanted to go down and play or something, but my mother and father did not allow. And we were going here in the second floor. There were kind of bedroom decoration ideas and all. As you can see, the bed mattresses were very soft. I liked falling into them, falling into the bed. And there were small mini locks, alarms and lanterns and all. We were just checking that space out, and I was like, "Mommy, look, there are so many nice lanterns and all." And here we are at the kitchen or the living room space. There they show cupboards and all. It's kind of like a wardrobe place and all. And here there are plastic type flowers and all. Some indoor decoration plants and all. Yeah. And there was here in this picture, we were in a model decoration, everything, and it was nice. And I was just checking everything out. My sister was roaming here and there, checking things out. She was mostly interested in everything. She went directly to the kitchen, and the kitchen was nice and all. And my sister was she wanted a kitchen like that, and my mother said we will buy it when you guys make a house or something. And it's so nice. There was also a playroom, a playroom type room, which was also very nice. All the decorations there were very nice and all. There are so many room ideas, and if any of you guys are planning to buy a house, and after you bought the house, if you want to decorate the house, you can go to IKEA. They have very nice products there. They have so many products there. You could buy the products from there. They have so nice products. Here, me and my mother were mostly roaming in the kitchen area. There were so many things. My mother really wanted to buy so many things in the kitchen area and all. Here in this, my sister is taking up so many glass objects, and I'm just put it down. It will break in your hands, and she will just put it down after a few minutes of looking at. So if you guys want to decorate your house, as I mentioned, go to IKEA. They have many nice ideas for you, and they are so nice. So many of you guys might be moving on now. And here there are so many plastic plants, as I mentioned before. And there are so many accessories and all. There were also so many types of lights. When we went to IKEA, we saw different types of lights and all. Different types of sections were there to be exact, and we enjoyed it a lot. My sister was roaming and around saying that she is hungry. So we went and bought some pastries. As you can see, there were so many different types of like pastries and all. So like that, we started to eat. We had ordered a velvet cake, red velvet cake, caramel muffin, apple sides, an apple pie, and a sandwich, a veg sandwich. My mother liked the food. My sister liked the food. My father liked the food. Everybody enjoyed the food. Like the food was good actually. I didn't actually put it. I liked the sandwich and the cake. I think so. The cake everybody liked. It was so nice. And also there was also the caramel one. Here we are just shopping around and looking around. There like sale. There was like a sale of 70% off, up to 70% off, and like there were so many like jars and all. We were looking here and there. They had well decorated all the aisles and all. See some more plastic plants. So nice actually. I think if like you should all visit IKEA. It's nice. It's a nice place if you want to decorate your house, and you can buy products from there. It's so nice. And like here there was like a decoration place. There was like so many different types of decorations which we could place outdoor in the with our plants. And here me, my mother, my father, and everybody, like me, my mother and father and sister got scared by looking at this aisle. It's kind of like they are selling like so many things, like so many big things were kept on these shelves, like mirrors and all, tables, like tables and all. See, as you can see, the ceiling is high, and we are like down, and when we look up, it looks like some part of the movie. And next, as we were going back home, we went in the metro. It was me and my sister's first time going in the metro. Me and my sister were so excited to go in the metro. And so see you guys later. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the